Hi, I'm Kristen from MrFantastic.com. I'm back to show you the difference between generic ascorbic acid and our Fern-C alkaline base made from sodium ascorbate. Now, let's try to understand the pH level of your body. The high number of pH level above 7 indicates alkalinity, while the lower number of pH level indicates acidic. When we are acidic, we are more prone to chronic diseases like AH1N1 and cancer. While alkaline, we are able to stay away from such illnesses. Ngayon, check natin kung ano sa dalawang to ang acidic or alkaline. Unahin natin yung generic ascorbic acid na dinurog. Anong napapansin nyo? Di ba merong mga lumulutang? Ang tawag dyan, binders or gagaw na tumutulong para mabuo yung isang tablet. Ibig sabihin nan, 15% ang na-absorb ng ating body and 85% ang nasasayang through urination and perspiration. Ngayon, try naman natin ang Fern-C. Kita-kita nyo naman na mabilis siyang ma-dissolve because 100% pure and natural siya. Ibig sabihin nito, 95% ang na-absorb ng ating katawan and 5% lang ang na-flush out through urination and perspiration. Now, gagamit tayo ng pH tester para malaman natin kung acidic or alkaline. Una, papatakan ko ang generic ascorbic acid. Anong napapansin nyo? Nag-turn yellowish siya. Ibig sabihin nun, yung pH level niya ay acidic. And try naman natin tong sa Fern-C. Anong napapansin nyo? Di ba nagkulay bluish green siya? At yung ibig sabihin nun, yung pH level niya ay 7.5 to 7.8. It means alkaline base siya. Now, you can get the best value for your money with Fern-C. And alkaline base is the most effective vitamin C. For more details, you can log on to my website www.mrfantastic.com.